Airbus. The planes are the only aerobatic airline in the world, which means we can put passengers in the front seat.